Hello student, I am Dr. S.V. Thakre. Now, in this presentation, we will discuss the topic pollution case studies from the environmental studies. There are different pollution case studies in India. So, we discuss first pollution case studies in India, Bhopal disaster. It is considered among the world's worst industrial disaster. It is also referred as Bhopal gas tragedy, in which the gas leak incident on the night of 2nd and 3rd December 1984 at the pesticide plant named as Union Carbide India. In this plant, there is the manufacture of some carbonate pesticides using the methyl isocyanate. The reactor gets exploded due to the failure of cooling system, and that gives out the gas, poisonous gas, methyl isocyanate. Bhopal gas tragedy gives out some effects on the area around this small town located near this plant. The lower amount of methyl isocyanate affects the lungs, eyes and causes the irritation on the skin. Higher amount of methyl isocyanate causes the oxygen remove from the lungs and causes the death. Methyl isocyanate spread over the 40 square kilometer area. 5,000 persons were killed. 65,000 people suffer from the eye and respiratory disorder. 1,000 persons became blind. So this disaster causes a very dangerous effect on the peoples around the area that located at the plant. The second pollution case study is the Chernobyl disaster. It was a nuclear accident that occurred on 26th April 1986 at the number 4 reactor in Chernobyl nuclear power plant, which is at the near the city of Pripyat in the north of Ukraine, Russia. In this accident, nuclear reactor has leaked out and the radioactive rays and radioactive materials are given out. It is considered as the worst nuclear disaster in history, both in terms of cost and casualties. Its effect, nearly 2,000 persons were killed by the accident. More people suffers due to the illness such as degenerations of the cells, several bleeding, anemia, skin cancers, and the animals and plants also get affected by these radiations. The third pollution case study is Minamata epidemic. Minamata disease was first discovered in the city of Minamata, Japan in 1956. It was caused by the release of methyl mercury in the industrial wastewater from the chemical factory Chiso Corporation, which continued from 1932 to 1968. It has also been suggested that some of the mercury sulfate in the wastewater is also get metabolized to methyl mercury by the bacteria present into the sediment. These highly toxic chemicals is accumulate or biomagnified in shellfish and fish in the Minamata Sea, and which when eaten by the local population resulted in mercury poisoning. Minamata disease is the neurological disease which includes the symptoms like loss of vision and hearing, loss of muscular coordination. It also causes the severe headache and the nervous disorder. The fourth pollution case studies is arsenic contamination of groundwater is a form of groundwater pollution which is often due to the naturally occurring high concentration of arsenic in the deeper level of groundwater, which is due to the excessive use of lead and copper arsenate as a pesticide, and that causes the arsenic pollution which affects the human being. The peoples were ingesting a low dose of 10 to 14 years were affected by white and black spots in a skin called melanosis. Long exposure lead to the bladder and lung cancer. Children are more badly affected by the arsenic causes. It also leads to a various fatal diseases. The next pollution case studies is Taj trapezium. Taj Mahal is the king of emperor amongst the world wonder. It is one of the most priceless national monument, and it also a glorious reputation to the man's achievement in architecture and engineering. The chemical industries and refinery at Mathura are the source of damage of Taj Mahal. Sulfur trioxide came from the industry, react with moisture in atmosphere and forms the acid rain. This will make corroding effect on clean white marbles, and that white marbles turns to yellowish color. The recent pollution case studies Kodaikanal mercury poisoning. Hindustan Unilever Limited, Kodaikanal thermometer manufacturing company, produced 163 million thermometers using about 900 kg of mercury annually. The thermometers were exported to the US and Europe. The toxic waste were left to remains in Kodaikanal. The factory was wrongly registered as a glass manufacturing unit and allowed to come up in a residential area bordered by the watershed forest. During its operation, the company seems to have paid a scant attention to workplace safety measures and rules of handling and disposal of hazardous material like mercury. As a result, more than 1,000 workers were exposed to mercury. Several workers have died prematurely, as have children born to workers. Workers say that the deaths were related to workplace exposure of mercury. Many more workers and their families are struggling due to this mercury poisoning. Former workers and the residents exposed a massive dumps of the Unilever mercury containing waste in a forest and the residential area. The company was also found to have dumped mercury waste in a forest behind its factory. The Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board shut down the plant due to these violations. But even today, several thousand tons of mercury contaminated waste and soils that lying inside and around the factory, leaching their deadly poisons into the surrounding environment. In early 2003, the company was forced to export 289 tons of mercury contaminated material to mercury recycling facility in United States. No such facility capable of treating the mercury waste is available in India. After finishing the case studies, now we discuss some multiple choice questions on this presentation. Which element present in the drinking water can lead to a various fatal diseases. Arsenic is the element which is present into the groundwater that causes the fatal diseases. Yellowing of Taj Mahal is an effect of due to the acid rain, the corroding effect on the white marble of the Taj Mahal, and that white marble turns to the yellow color. Minamata disease is due to the mercury poisoning. Poisonous gas caused a Bhopal gas tragedy is a methyl isocyanate. And the last multiple choice question, Chernobyl nuclear disaster was due to the radioactive pollution.